I do. Um, I don't think I can. I think that if you go to screen share, I don't know if there is that. Um, yeah, just go for it. Yeah, maybe my screen, the knowledge break. Well, I guess they all kind of look like they have jagged edges. Does the knowledge break look crisp on yours and the Sprint logo? Okay, that's fine. Okay. 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 First thing, the line below critical, that's a different color than critical and the card. That looks like it's the same color as the store task icons. It could be my screen, but it looks too red. Doesn't look reddish orange. Okay. Um, okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna keep looking. Spacing looks good. Card shadows look good. Icons look great. Did you change the font size on the date to make it fit better in the calendar card? Because it looks it looks like it fits better than it did yesterday. So I'm just it's good. It's not a bad thing at all. I'm just okay on the calendar, the date indicator on the cards, the date, the the text of the 0510 and all that kind of stuff. That looks like it fits better. Did you change that at all, or did you? Okay, good, good. Let me know whatever size that is when we talk next week. I'll update my mockups accordingly because it looks like it fits better than some of my two-digit mockups on there, and I want to make sure that I'm using the same font size as you are. Um, okay, cool. Do what you got to do. That's better. Yeah, that's right. Yep. They're probably going to have feedback that the gap between the icons. I wish I could show you what I'm talking about. But in between the icon on the card and where the text starts, is that the same distance as it is on the right side where the text ends and the end of the card, or is it configurable? Like it seems like there's a lot of that's not honestly. Let's let them tell us to fix that. I'm just wondering what the reason. It looks like the gap in between the icon and the start of the text is just a little bit big, but that's fine. I'm not worried about that. Why don't you go ahead and turn on one of the filters? Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Just whatever. Yeah, store. Now, is it the next sprint that we have identified that we're going to remove labels for buckets that have no content? Okay, cool. I didn't think it was going to happen this one. I just wanted to be double checking. Everything looks good to me. Why don't you just filter to just show store tasks? All right, and why don't you select one of them? Select one of them. It all looks good. Go to one of the individual tasks. I think we'll probably want to put some. Yeah, I think we'll probably want to put some kind of a signifier on the text, not for this version, but just for notes to make sure that the user knows that there is more scrolling text, because the background of the text and the background of the card is the same thing. I wouldn't know unless if I pulled it up and I saw that, I wouldn't think that there was more to be read, but it's fine. Go ahead and select the past due assignment at the top. Yeah. Looks good. Okay, so we're showing the actual time that it takes, the expected duration of the assignment. So yeah. Okay, yeah. I guess I've never seen it that way, but I always thought that Sprint said that they broke it down in 15, half an hour, 45, and 1 hour breakpoints. Okay, that's fine. Looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. Okay. Yeah, and some feedback we got from Scott, and I agree with this, is that the bottom is really big on the UI web view. So we'll probably have to, the bottom, it's cutting off a lot, but this looks good. Yep. All right. Yeah, why don't you go there? Okay. Go back. No, that's just my screen. The when you press the button, the line underneath critical turned purple, but it was just my screen being pixelated. Okay, and then you can just select one. It looks good. Yep, I don't see any issues. the behavior up there where the completed tasks is persistent at the top of the list, is that the same behavior as on the right list? Like everything. Okay, that's exactly what I thought it was going to do. All right, perfect. So are those labels PNGs, or are those something that you okay, so it's okay, cool. Then that gives me something to I can mess around with that in the future. That's cool. The filters do look like they're a little bit elongated on both the completed and the non-completed list. They do look they're a little bit too big. Yeah, it looks like they're stretched. Okay. Don't worry about that right now, but it does look stretched. It is stretched. It's like about, I think it's 5 points too big. That's all right. Okay. No, honestly, everything else looks great. Yep. Sign out. Perfect. Ugh. Great. Okay. Great. Yeah, you too. Thanks for everything, man. Yep. Bye.